OMG, I could not sleep this night. When I tell you I was tossing and turning for like an hour or so, like I couldn't take it no more. I was itching to crochet, so I'm like, babe, come on. We're gonna go downstairs. Like, you on your phone anyway. Let's just do something for a few minutes and see if that helps us wind down, you know? So I go downstairs and I pull out this whip, this work in progress, which is supposed to be a hat, like a scully hat, but it turned out more like a bucket hat, and that happens often. Like I go to make a fitted scully hat, and it comes out way too big. But you know, I made it work, and here's Bay trying it on,
Bae.
and you know, it doesn't look too bad. I wanted it longer. I thought it could be a little longer, but he liked it this length, so we just left it alone.
No, for
And
real. Like, you don't want me to make the
that's what I
hat?
have so far that I'm working on. This is the hat. Looks nice, right?
I won't change as long as you feel the same. And if you feel in pain, baby, I'ma take the blame. Cause you're not supposed to feel away. I can make you feel away. When you said I changed, but I'ma show you that I'm still the same.
So the sun is risen. The sun is finally awoke, as my daughter would say. And now I'm doing Instacart, and I have one of the heaviest orders I've had thus far. This lady or gentleman ordered three 15 to 20 pound pumpkins, and I had to carry that through an apartment building. Will you believe that? An apartment building. Anyways, I had two carts. I started shopping, I don't know, at like 8ish. I didn't get done with my delivery until like 10 o'clock. This lady ordered, or gentleman ordered 60 bananas. What are you going to do with 60 bananas? Oh my gosh, when I tell y'all this is so nerve-wracking, like this is so nerve-wracking. Like I don't know why I'm so nervous, because it's only me in the room. I'm talking to myself. I'm talking to a camera. Like there's nobody in here. So it's like, why are you nervous? I'm back on YouTube, and I'm here to showcase my talents and create things along the way, because I'm a creator of all sorts, and I don't want to box myself in. I feel like the last time I was on YouTube, I was kind of like trying to do what everybody else was doing and not really like finding myself. So I'm back here to ultimately or objectively find my niche while being myself authentically. I have no desire to emulate or copy anyone else. I know exactly who I am now. It's just a matter of me finding out what works for me, you know? Although I was successful with like rapping and selling hair, I don't want to necessarily just focus on those things. Like I don't want to be a rapper per se. I don't want to be I don't want to be in a cosmetology field necessarily. Like I just want to find a way to put all my creativity together and create something new and different and hopefully inspire others. And I think a great way for me to start figuring that out is documenting my journey on YouTube. Originally, I left YouTube because for one, I was very impatient. Like, I would get a few views and I would feel some type of way about the fact that I wasn't getting a lot of views. As why aren't I getting the views that I believe I should get? You know, I have quality content, I have supporters, you know, I'm great at what I do. So it's like, why the math isn't mathing, you feel what I'm saying? So I would just say I was very impatient, and this go around I'm willing to invest in the journey and just watch the seed sprout, you know, and continue to water my garden and watch the fruits and bear the fruits in the future, you know.